What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a couple of Sharpie markers right in front of me, and they're not probably that interesting, but I wanted to show you this one in particular because I have never had this before, and I thought I would do a little bit of a quick hit with it. Now, first of all, this is your standard Sharpie marker. You are familiar with these. They have a cap here, and the problem with this is that if you want a quick write something, mark something, unfortunately it's a two-handed operation. You got to take off this cap, you might lose it. So if you want to quick mark your golf ball, you don't want to waste a lot of time, that's a two-handed operation. If you want to write a name on a lunch bag, two-handed operation. Not a big deal, but they have made an improvement with the clicking Sharpie here, and I just want to show it to you here. It looks just like a regular Sharpie. This portion here still has a cap-like look. It has a little clip right there so you can put it in your pocket, and down here it's got that same Sharpie look, but you can see here we have a hole in the end, and that is where the Sharpie marker lives. Now you can see on this end we have a push button, and so if I push it, it clicks out the little tip here. Now one of the things that I was worried about is this sucker going to dry out? And what I want to show you here is that when you click it down, you can see that little door opening. It's almost like a little torpedo tube, and so then once it's opened, the marker comes out, and when you click it again, it retracts, and then that little door closes over it. You can see just a little like retractable door in there. So what that does is it preserves a Sharpie marker like this, because you don't want air to get in here, because these suckers can dry out rather quickly. Now, does it write just like a Sharpie? Obviously it's a little bit of a stubbier end, but this is writing, and boom, looks just like any other Sharpie marker. So pretty cool. I like this. It's just going to make it a lot easier to quick use the Sharpie, mark stuff, you know, whenever I need it, and prevent me from losing the cap, which is totally possible too. So if you want to pick up this clickable Sharpie marker, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.